Alright, so I'm back with some old broken bricks. These are like strong enough bricks where it can become the aggregate. So as I fill the cement, which doesn't have any aggregate, like it doesn't have any gravel, it's pure cement, I have to mix this one with it so it will solidify, right? It's a chicken coop and that's good enough for it. You don't have to have concrete. This is another way of doing things. You got to improvise. When you have a farm, you have to improvise. So first thing, I'm going to make it level here a little bit more. It has to go down a little bit. I'm going to tamp it down, put cement, crush the bricks, put it, mix it with water, set it. Let it set for a day and let it cure overnight, because these are not fast setting. It's a slow setting, which is fine. I have time. I can temporarily put a gate, or sorry, I put a gate or a piece of wood or something, so it'll be closed. But it has been open for a while. I don't care about it much because our dog, the Great Pyrenees dog, will destroy any predator like wild dogs, coyotes, possums, raccoons, you name it. Those dogs, the Great Pyrenees dogs, are protectors, and they will take care of them. They will get rid of them. So I have seen them how they handle. They are pretty vicious. If they get angry and see a predator eating our chicken, it used to happen, but now they are experts. At night they are awake and they sit near the coop, run around. They protect my peacocks, the chickens, everything, and they are very efficient in protecting your livestock, and they will not eat your birds. So Great Pyrenees dogs, the good thing about the Great Pyrenees dogs is that they will not eat your chicken or your livestock or your goats, because they are naturally bred to defend, to guard you and your livestock. So if you have a farm, you got to get the Great Pyrenees dog. That is the best dog to get. No other dog. And the Great Pyrenees are very gentle, also very powerful when they want to protect. They can even control a cow. We had a 2,500-pound cow, and they control the cow. It's because they don't bite or anything. Your livestock, they will protect you by dominating. They know how to dominate a big cow, and they know how to make the cow run and get tired. And then when the cow get tired, cow will surrender and listen to the dog, and the dog can push the cow back into its place. So Great Pyrenees, remember, that's the dog you need for the farms, okay? We have been doing for years, so I'm going to save you some time and money. So if you're going with the farm way, you got to have a Great Pyrenees, okay? So that you can guard your livestock, especially when you're free-ranging your livestock. You have to have that. You have to have protection, especially dogs. They have the sixth sense. So if there's any predator animals coming in your yard, they will know it, and they will go and take care of it. Possums and raccoons, they rip them apart, and they will find them. They will try hard until they find them. And once they find them, they will knock them out. And also next time I'll take a video when they do that, because that's how they protect. You know, I'm trying to promote protection of your animals, okay? And so when you see it, you will know how much they protect, how good they are when it comes to protecting you and your animals. Okay, back to work.